by LegalShield or scanning the QR codes here on the screen. The first section of the mobile app that I'm going to cover is the tool section. This is the resource library of all tools available for you to share with your prospects. Some of the most important links here on your tool section are your enrollment links. This is to your marketing site and the LegalShield mobile app share link. You can manage the resource categories on the app by dragging and dropping, as you can see here on the screen. This is going to rearrange the categories in your tool section. You can also favorite resources available in the app by simply clicking on a resource, then clicking on the heart option to add that resource to your favorites list at the top of the resource section. In addition to scrolling through all the great resources, if you click on the See All option, you're able to see all resources available in that category. Now let's talk about managing contacts. First, we're going to create a custom contact list. This allows you to easily manage your contacts. To create a custom list, you're going to go to Create a New List, enter a new list name, and click on OK. Once you've created a new list, you can click on the list and go to the plus option to add contacts. Select the contacts that you would like to add to your custom list and click Done. You can see the contacts have been added, and you can then click the text message or email options to send a group text or a group email to everyone in your contact list. You can easily filter your contact list by going to the filter option, and you can filter by newest to oldest to newest, recent activity, first name, last name, and by the custom list that you have created, and then you can click on apply to apply that. Going to a specific contact, you see all activity of the resources that you've shared and all the engagements. You can easily add reminders by swiping right. On the profile option, you see all information about the contact, and then in the notes section, you can see any custom notes you've added. To add or edit notes, you'll go to the edit option and scroll to the bottom. There you can edit notes or add new notes for the contact, then click Done. In the feed section, you're going to see every activity taken by you and also every activity of your prospect. You can swipe right to set reminders and visit the reminders list to easily work those reminders in a list. You can click on a contact in that reminders list and share content and follow up effectively. And then go back to your reminders list and swipe right to mark the action done. This makes it easy to have an easy-to-use reminders list that you can work on a daily basis. You can also add custom reminders by going to the plus option and selecting a date and time for that reminder. Moving to the events section, you have the ability to select any event. Go to the share option in the upper right, click on share, and share that event on social with a contact, or you can copy the link. I'm going to share it via text message. I'm going to customize that message and send it via text. It's really simple. Moving to the More section of the app, I'm going to go to Learn. In the Learn section, you're going to see the Associate Product Training, Prospect App Training, and Associate Skills Training. The Prospect App Training is going to provide you with a training course on great short videos on how to use the Prospect app. So if you need a refresher, please check out that section of the app to learn more about how to use this Prospect app. Going to the business section, you have links to LS Engage, Associate Office, and Fast Start. You can see the link to LS Engage here. Going to my profile, I'm going to update my marketing language, updating from US to Canada. This is going to update the tool section of the app to show Canadian resources I can share with my Canadian prospects. And going back